On the printer panel of the printer, press the up or down arrow button and select Wi-Fi setup. Press the OK button. Press the down arrow button. Select Wi-Fi direct setup. Press the OK button. Select connection setup. Press the OK button. Press the down arrow button. Select change password. Press the OK button. Press the up arrow button. Enter a password using the numeric keypad of the printer. The password must be at least 8 characters and no more than 22 characters long. To delete the previous character, press the left arrow button. This password indeed is not so important, so enter 8 characters. Press the OK button when you are finished. Press the OK button to view the SSID, Wi-Fi network name and the password. Press the OK button to return to the home screen. Take your smartphone or other wireless device and select the Wi-Fi network name SSID displayed on the LCD screen of the printer. If requested, enter the password, in this case GGGGGG8G. You can now print documents or photos directly from the smartphone. Select the document, touch the 3 dots in the top right, touch Print. Select the printer, Epson VF2630 in this case. Touch the orange-yellow printer symbol. The printer will print the document.